Can you see the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. So, so what you can see on the title? Can you read the title and tell me what you can see? What you
The
can?
every you, you
Yeah.
world of science.
Okay. The topic name is. Okay. So let me take this. So okay. So let me take the pen. Okay. So the name of the topic is the ever evolving world of science. We are going to talk about science, right? Okay. So, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this session, I want your participation, right? I will ask question, and is this question this chapter is not about answering. This chapter is about questioning. This chapter is about what?
Question.
Question. You have to ask a question. You have to think like a scientist. You have to think like a
Scientist.
scientist. Do you know what do you understand that by the term scientist? So if I am writing on the board, and okay, so if I'm writing word science, so science, okay, science is the name topic. What we have to think like scientist. So the main agenda, what is the main agenda? Main agenda is we have to think like a scientist. And what what is the what does the scientist does? Scientist ask question. What does a scientist do? They ask question, right? Dear student, are you getting my point? Dear student, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So the main agenda of this chapter is not about answering. Is not about answering. The main agenda of this chapter is about we have to think. We have to question. Okay, we have to question. We have to question. Guys, are you get so dear student, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this chapter is about not about answering. This is about, so I am opening this PPT. Mm, so okay, so so dear student, can you question something around? We are actually living in this world. Can you question something?
No, sir.
No, question can be anything. Question anything, like you know, how does the bus drive? Okay, okay. So
What, sir?
bus is actually, because when we are actually bicycling, right?
Yes.
So how does the bicycle cycle is actually because someone, because suppose that there is someone, there is car, there is
There is
car, okay.
car. Okay.
So so in this car, what is the main thing is fuel, okay. Without fuel, this car, we cannot drive this car, right?
Yes.
So that is how we have to question. uh, so we have to think like scientists, okay. So I am opening this PPT. Okay, now So now see this PPT. We are living in this planet, and this planet is called
Earth.
very good. We are living in this planet, and in this planet there is a. Okay, so I am drawing. So there is like I am drawing something like this. So there is. So can you tell me what is this?
Flower.
Very good, very good. This is flower. This is flower. Can you tell me what is this?
Leaf.
Very good, leaves. Okay, very very interesting question, students. So this is our leaves. Can you tell me what is the color of leaves?
Green.
So very good. Now you are getting my point. Now you are getting my point. As a scientist, as a scientist, we should ask, sir, why is the color of the leaves is green? That is a scientist's mind. Okay, dear student, are you getting me? How to develop the
Yes, sir.
scientist minds? What is the scientist mindset? Scientist mindset is, sir, we are living in the earth. There is some flower, there are some leaves, but my question is why is the color of the leaves is green? Why it is not dark? Why it is not black? Why it is not orange? So that is the purpose. That is the purpose of a scientist. Suppose there is a scientist, and his name is Ram, or maybe something else. So he will ask, sir, why the color of leaves is green? It may be black. Okay, so why it is not a black? So why it is green? So this is not important about this chapter. This is not important. Why is the color of the leaves is green? What we have to develop the mindset. Okay, dear student, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So dear student, I am going to giving you very very good hint, and as a scientist student, you should know what is there is called chlorophyll. This is not important for this chapter, but we must be remember this. We must be remember. We can remember this because we will discuss it. But we will discuss in the later chapters. We will not discuss this, but you can remember if you can. Okay, dear student, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So for this chapter, this is not important. This is not important. What I just told you, you can just note down, or you just can remember. What as a scientist we have to develop the mindset. Sir, why is the color of leaves is green? Why it is not red? So are you getting me how to develop the scientist mindset?
Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. So, because so I am telling you. So, okay, there is one more example. One more example. So, I am taking this example in such a way. This is moon, right?
Yes, sir.
This is moon. But you can say that, sir, sometime this is actually in this shape, right? So, sometimes in the circle shape, right, and sometimes shape like this, right? So my question, as a scientist mindset, I must ask, sir, why is the shape of the moon, why is the shape of moon keep on changing, keep on changing? Why it is not static? Why it is not static? Dear student, are you getting my point what I have said to you?
Yes, sir.
So, as a scientific mindset, we must ask, sir, why is the moon shape is keep changing? Sometimes it is circle, sometimes it is in the another shape like this. Sometimes just like this, like this shape. Okay, so this is the scientific mindset approach, right? Dear student, do you got that point? Dear student, you got that a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, 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 are you there, dear student?
Sir,
Yes.
why, means why would sun go ahead of clouds?
Okay. That is also very good question. So, your question is there are some clouds, right?
Yes, sir.
And we want to go beyond them, right?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Means why sun will hide by clouds, sir?
Okay. Sun will. So I am writing sun will hide by cloud. Very good. Very important. Very important. So
And moon will be also hide.
yes. Moon will also hide. So actually, by asking this question, this one thing is very clear that you have developed this scientific approach, right? Scientific approach. So this is, there are some phenomena, there are some process which which we will discuss in the later chapter, right? So there is some phenomena which we will discuss in the later chapter. What very good, it is a very interesting thing that you asked this question, that why sun will hide by cloud. So do you get that point, dear student?
Sir, you can do your volume high, sir.
uh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this question, our main agenda is we have to ask questions, and we are coming to the PPT section. So so this is the question which you have asked me. I will tell you later, right? And because when I will explain you with the depth, okay? Because firstly, if I tell you the solution, the concept will not clearer, right? So this whole thing, you just keep asking question and we will discuss later, right?
Yes.
Okay. So uh, we are coming to this portion, and then portion is, so this is very interesting question you ask. And so this is learned by doing. So this is what we have seen. Why are leaves green? Why does moon change shape? And why does plane fly? Right? So this is why does plane fly? This is just a question. There are some principle behind it. So in the lower classes, okay. So have you have made plain paper in the class?
Yes, sir.
So that is also a question. Why it is flying? Why it is flying? Okay.
Because
Okay. No issue. That is another, because there are so many principles in this chapter. Our main agenda is to basically ask question. But if you want to answer, you can answer. Okay. If you want to answer, you can answer.
no, sir, you can continue.
Okay. So, but okay. So, okay. So, like your question was, sir, this is cloud, right? This is
Yes.
cloud, and you're saying, says, sir. Uh, so basically, there is a sun, right?
Yes.
There is sun, and suppose that there is some there is some Ramu which is sitting over there. So actually what we can see, sun is actually hid by the block. There are so many clouds, right? That was your question, right?
Yes.
So why cloud formed? As we know, it is a scientific phenomena. Okay, this we will discuss in the late chapter, that how the cloud formation done, right? What the main agenda is thing? Main agenda is very clear, because sun will be hidden, because whenever eyes are actually watching to the sun, actually sun is blocked by the clouds. Sun is blocked by the cloud. So are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
It is not that sun has gone away. Sun is still there. Sun is still there, right?
Yes.
Sun is still there. But why clouds are formed, which this we will discuss in the later chapter, how the cloud formation is done. What sun is still there, okay? What sun is blocked by the cloud. So we can also take this example. So if, okay, suppose this is some boy, so it has some hand, okay, it is some hand, and it has some like a kind of lamp in his hand, okay, like candle, we can also think as a candle. So a candle, or we can also think like a bulb, right? So basically, and suppose if there is some wall is coming, okay, wall is coming there, so that candle or that bulb is still there, but wall is coming in between, okay. So we can think in that way, right? Do you get this point, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't worry about how this formation, these there are some principle in this chapter, because in this chapter the main agenda is just asking question. These all phenomena we will discuss in the later chapter, step by step, step by step. Don't think about so much how this what is the process. In this chapter the main agenda is we have to ask question, right? So so this was the, so so we can actually think one more thing, and that is our, there is one more thing. So suppose there is some plant, right? There is some plant, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
so plant have some leaves, and I already told you what is the color of the leaf, that is green, right?
Yes.
So we can actually know that sunlight is very important. Sunlight is very important for this plant. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Because if there is no sunlight, so how it will grow? How it will grow? It cannot grow, because if sunlight is not there. So my question is, what we can do? We can do some activity. And that activity is what? The activity in such a way, we can take another plant, and okay, what, for this plant we are not giving any sunlight. So if we are not giving any sunlight, so in that situation we can see the difference, because in that situation this plant which is which is under the sunlight, it will grow properly. You can do this activity at your home, okay, at your home also. And if there is another plant, if we are not giving any sunlight, it will not grow, it will not grow. So this is one of the activity which we can perform in our house, and this is very very good activity. And as a scientist, we have to think in this way, sir, why, if sunlight is not giving to the one plant and sunlight is giving to the one plant, what is coming? So at the end, suppose for the 10 days, for 10 days you are giving sunlight to the one plant, for, but for the 10 days you are not giving sunlight to the another plant. So what is happening, sir? The This is actually the fact. You can actually test at your home, okay?
Yes.
So are you getting interested or not? Are you enjoying this session or not, dear student? Just tell me very honestly, are you enjoying this session or not?
No, sir.
Are you enjoying?
No, sir.
Why?
I can't understand.
Okay, which concept is not understood?
This only.
Which one?
This plants.
This is not it, it is just about asking questions, okay? We have to, this chapter is not about answering, this chapter is about asking question, okay?
Yes.
Okay, because this is not a question, this is just a main thing is that we have to ask question, right? So we can do we can coming to the next section. So basically in the science, we can actually study very things like tiny things, okay? Tiny cells, we can study tiny cells, and we can study the big things like planets, stars, right? Are you getting, dear student?
Yes, sir.
So a star means like stars in the sky, okay? Actually these are the all the things which we will discuss in the later chapter. Stars, okay, like stars. So stars, actually star is actually very big, right? But it is actually, so these are the all things which we will discuss in the later chapter, right? Are you getting this, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the concept is, what is science? Actually the definition in the book is given in such a way that it says that science is not just a fact, not just a fact. Science is not just a fact, it is way of thinking. It is a way of thinking. It is way of thinking. So student, do you get this definition?
Yes, sir.
So basically means, if we are actually, what will happen if we are actually remembering some fact means fact is like the distance between sun and moon and something like that. How it is that? What we just don't just have to remember the fact, it is a way of thinking. What is science? It is way of thinking and asking questions and asking
Asking questions.
very good. So it is a way of thinking and asking questions. So 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 dear student, so basically for this chapter we must be able to develop our mindset in such a way that is we have to think and ask question, right? So I'm coming to this another part. So which color I should pick? Just tell me.
Black.
Okay, so black. So in that case we have to make this screen white. Okay, so science. So one thing is clear. What is science? If someone asking you what is science, so what you will tell? What you will tell? Just tell me.
Science is a way to think and ask the questions.
Very good, wonderful, wonderful. So I'm giving you 5 out of 5. So if someone asking you what is the science, so you will say, sir, it is a way of thinking. It is a way of thinking and asking question, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know there are how many three branch? Basically, how many three branches of science? Can you tell what are the mainly three branches of science? The first one is called physics. First one is called physics, right? First one is called physics. Do you got that?
What's up?
So, what are the different branches of the science? So, this is the first branch. This is called physics, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the second branch? Can you guess what is the second branch of the science?
I do.
It is chemistry. It is chemistry. It is chemistry. Do you got that?
Yes.
Actually, this definition, actually why I am telling you this, because in this way you can understand more depth in a more deep way. Okay. And what is the third branch of science? What is called? That is called biology. That is called bio
Yes.
biology. So if someone asking you what is science, I hope you can give a proper answer. Sir, what is a science? Science is a way of thinking, not just
Thinking.
and asking a question, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if someone asking you, just tell me what are the three branches of science, so what you will say?
Physics, chemistry, biology.
Very good. So do you understand? You know already. If some big brother or big sister in your house, if they are reading in the +1 class or in the +2 class, and if they are reading non-medical or if they are reading medical, so they have these subject like physics, chemistry, biology, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one thing which must be clear. So so my question is that what do you if someone asking you what is physics, so what you will say? What you will say? So in the physics, if I tell you, so for now if we have to think in this way, like motion. Okay, so for now, if there is car, right? Car is moving. Okay, car is moving. If a car is moving, it is doing some motion. It is doing some
Motion.
so if car is moving, it is doing some motion. So this will come under physics. This will come under physics. Okay. You got that?
Yes.
Okay. So okay. So chemistry. Okay. Chemistry means if okay. Chemistry means it is just like chemical. Chemistry means chemicals, right? Okay. If if there is some pot and there is a milk in it, right? If there is a milk in it, right?
Yes.
Okay. If there is some pot and if there is some milk in it, and just tell me, and if you first you hot this milk, and after that, if you add the salt, what will happen? What will happen?
It will be salty.
Yes, it will be salty. So there will be some reactions, right? There will be some chemical reactions. There will be chemical reaction between milk and salt. So it will be become milky salt, right? In such a way. So for understanding, we can think in this way, right? There are some reactions going on. There are some reactions going on, right?
Action.
So do you got this point? What is chemistry? So
The chemistry is.
deals with the reactions, chemical reactions, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is like chemical reactions. So if we are talking about biology, biology means if we are studying about human body, right? Human.
Yes, sir.
If we are study about the human body, if we are studying about like plants, if we are studying about plants, if we are studying about animals, so this all study under the biology session. So
Yes.
so tell me, are you enjoying the session or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So don't worry if you are not getting a point. No, it is okay, because when we will start this chapter is a new to you. So slowly you will keep enjoying the session. If you are not getting the point, no issue, because as soon as we will go dig deeper, so basically we will get this whole point, right? So do you get this point, dear student?
Yes, sir.
So in this chapter we have to think like a scientist, and we have read what is science. What is science? Just tell me.
Science is the way to think and ask the questions.
Very good, very good. Is a way of think and asking question. If someone asking you, just tell me what are the three branches of science. Can you tell them? Can you tell them?
Physics,
Very good.
chemistry, biology.
Ve-
Physics, chemistry, biology.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So these are the examples. So this is actually very interesting. So this is okay. There is another branch, and that is also called, that is called earth science. That is called earth science. So earth science means in which we will talk about like rock, and then weather, right?
Yes, sir.
Weather, like when the rain will happen, right? We will discuss about all about science about earth, right? What is happening, right?
Yes.
So these are the things which we will discuss slowly. So basically, uh, this is what we have done. So so I hope if we are coming to this slide, so if we are seeing the slide, you can see the slide. This is happening physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science. Can you see on the screen, student?
Yes, science is an advance.
Yeah.
Science is not just about fact in a book. It is a way to of thing that welcomes
Yes.
curiosity, ask questions, and
Open to a unknown thing, right?
open the
So this is just a definition which we have a read, right? So this is how things will gonna work. So basically these are the things which we have discussed. So we are coming to this session. So now tell me if I'm asking you, okay, uh, actually there are some fruit like there are some fruit and that fruit is sour, right?
yes, sir.
So this can also be a question, why this is happening, like we are talking about lemon, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we are talking about lemon, so basically lemon, if we taste it, right, if we taste it, so what will happen, it will be sour in nature, in nature, right? So my, our question as a scientist, we should ask question, sir, why it is uh, taste so, so why it is taste so. So there are some, so if we can see the ppt, natural acid like citric acid. So we are coming to this. So this is like citric acid, this is because of a citric acid. If someone asks you that why the lemon, is so sour in the taste, so you will say, sir, it is because of citric acid, right?
Citric acid.
Okay, so this answer is not important, because this we will discuss in the later chapter. What in this chapter we have to think like a scientist, so we must ask, why is the taste is sour, this questioning mindset, we have to develop the questioning mindset. Answer is not important,
Yes, sir.
right? Answer is not important for this chapter. Question should be important, because you have that curiosity to think, you have a curiosity to ask a question, that is important for this chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so uh, if there is some iron, and this iron and iron got rust, it happens. The
Rust.
rust, what is the meaning of rust? Can you tell me what is the meaning of rust actually?
Rust means it will be like brown color.
Very good, it's in the brown color. So basically this is a very good. So I am giving you 5 out of 5. This is a very logical mindset and very scientist mindset is necessary to answer this question. So basically uh, the question is basically what happens. So my question is, why rusting is happen. So the answer is, in the presence of air and in the presence of moisture. What is the meaning of moisture? Can you tell me what is the meaning of moisture? Moisture means humidity, like kind of right, like some kind of water, but that is in the moisture form, right? It is just a water vapors, right? Do you get that, student?
Yes, sir.
So basically, you can think it is a water. So water means water, what that is in the moisture form, like you spray the water with the sprayer, right? That is just moisturing, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
so basically, when the air and the moisture and then come in the contact with the iron, then the iron will got rust. Iron will got a rust, and this whole process, this is called rusting, and this we will discuss in the upcoming chapters. So for this chapter, I am again telling you the answer is not important. uh, Answer is just I am just telling you for your understanding. Air and moisture, the answer is not important, the question is important. The questioning mindset is important, scientist mindset is important, right? Do you get that, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So that is how things gonna work. So there is another question, uh, like suppose that so do you understand what is lightning? Lightning happen.
Yes,
What do you understand by lightning?
means when the clouds can be when clouds are raining, that time it can be lightning.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So, as a scientist, why this is happening? This is actually a very this is there is some process which we will discuss in the higher classes or in the upcoming chapter. What as a scientist mindset, we must ask a question: why this is happening? Why lightning before hearing thunder, right? So basically that is also a mindset. Okay, do you got that?
What, sir?
So
Yes, sir.
so basically, why this is happening, that is not important. Again I'm telling you, what this is important, we have to ask a question, right? We have to.
Then ask question.
Very good, very good, very good. So we are coming to the PPT, and this is what we have done. So
Here, yes.
so
Science explorer. Observe carefully. Ask question. Do experiment. Find answers. Care of our planet.
very good, very good. So be the young scientist. You know what? You are the young scientist. You are the young scientist explorer. You can explore the. If you are exploring the science, you can call yourself young science explorer. You can call yourself as young science explorer, right? Because you are exploring the science, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Great, great, great.
It
So,
is help us
so the
understand.
yes, yes. This is resting. This is actually thundering, and the why fruit is sour in nature. So suppose there is a.
What happens when we wash a haldi stain?
Okay, this is actually a example taken from your book. What happens when we wash a haldi stain? So basically, suppose we have a T-shirt. Okay, right? So so basically, what happens in this process, haldi has a yellow. So basically, so we will discuss it in a detail. So basically what happens, suppose
Six.
So haldi color has yellow, right? So I am drawing like this. There is some haldi on these t-shirts. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you go to some function, or someone goes to some function, and somehow some haldi is spread over this t-shirt. This is what, this is t-shirt, and this is haldi, right? This is haldi. So what happens, so what we will do, we will actually wash it with the soap, right? We will wash it with the soap, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, as a scientist, and what will happen, this haldi will come out of this t-shirt. This haldi which were spreading over this t-shirt, it will be come out from this t-shirt. So my question is, what happened? So we can, what we can think, actually, suppose there is some soap. Actually soap will, actually I am asking you some question. Soap will do the chemical reaction with this haldi, and what will happen, you know what, it will changes into which color? It will, the whole thing will change into the brown color. Whole thing will change into the brown color. Okay,
Yes.
because soap and haldi, they are doing some chemical reactions. Can you tell me, this is a, this is which branch of science? If soap and haldi, if they are doing chemical reaction, then it is a branch of which science? This is a which branch of science? Can you tell me? This is a which branch of science? If soap and haldi, they are reacting with each other and they are forming some.
Is chemistry.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Student, if you are learning the science the way I am teaching you, and you are actually, actually, it is a very good to know that you are also answering. It means you are taking interest, right? So, because answering such kind of questions actually uh, make some mindset, and I think you have a scientist mindset, right? So basically,
Yes, sir.
so basically, what will happen when the soap, when the soap, this is very important, when the soap will react with haldi, it will make some brown product, and after that, you know what will happen? After that, when this brown product will react with water, because this is what we have, this is what we do in our house, right? This is what we do in the house, this is what we do in the washing machine, this is what happened, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, now after that, firstly what we do, we rub that, we rub that haldi with the soap, and soap and haldi will react with each other, they will form some brown product, and then we react this brown product with water, and after that what will happen? Our t-shirt, t-shirt is like, this is like t-shirt, this t-shirt is new again. New again in the sense that haldi gone away from it, which was spreading over there, it is no, not here now, right? Dear student, are you getting my point, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So basically, uh, this is actually, we have gone into so much depth which was not required, but yes, you are answering, and it is very good to know that you, I think it it was a deep of concept, but you got that, right? You got that or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what we done in this session. So we will actually first of all we will make some revision so that you will understand it. So
Here you told you have to think like scientist and ask questions.
very good, very good, very good. So for this ppt you have answered. So I am giving you 5 out of 5, and again I am giving you very good because you answer so well actually. I'm proud of you. So I'm coming to the this slide.
Here you will explain the trees and this is a planet where we live. It is Earth, and you explained flower, leaves,
Yes, yes, yes.
and that Rama was there. He asked to his sir why the leaves color is green.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So for this slide I am also again I am giving you 5 out of 5. What can you tell? Can you tell? So okay, okay, give me a second. So so can you tell what was that name? Why which? That was the reason of being color green. Can you tell that? Can you tell that? Can you remember that? That is not important, but I'm just for curiosity. Do you remember that or not? Why the color is green?
By
Chlorophyll, right? Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll, the color of leaf is green.
Very good. This is not important, but yes, if you remember it, you will be. It will be great. It will be great, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm coming to the another slide. So
Here I asked, you explained here. This is moon. Sometimes we can see the moon in C shape.
very
Yeah.
good, very good, very good. So for this slide, I'm giving you 5 out of 5. So coming to this slide,
Here I asked the question why the sun will be hiding by clouds.
very good, very good, very good.
And you asked here why paper plane will fly in the sky.
Very good, very good.
And here you explain me that here one child is there named Ram. In sun is very high. In middle, so many clouds are there. Why we will see that it will look like the sun is hiding by clouds.
Very good, very good. So
Now you told here this me that only example sunlight of
very good,
growth of plant you explain.
very good. Because this plant will grow and this will not grow, right?
Yes, sir. And you told to try it at home.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Great. Great.
Now
So
you told science will be the cell or big star.
yes, very
And
good.
you explained stars are very big at home.
And cell is actually very tiny. Like it is a small functional unit, right? It is a small functional unit of living cell. So this is actually a very good question. What is cell? This is actually asked in one MCQ question. This is actually very tiny. Tiny means very small, right? This is a very
Yes.
fun- very tiny functional units of a living organism, right? So basically we have done two comparison. It is too small and it is too big. So that was we have discussed that in the science we discuss two small things, and we also discuss about very
Means you told here science is very small also and very big.
very good, great, great, great.
We discussed here science is very big and so small.
Very
Here you told science is not science is not just a fact. It is a way of thinking and asking questions.
very good, very good, 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 good. And after that,
Sir,
yes, yes. In this slide,
here you told there are three ways of science: physics, chemistry, biology, and you explain when moving car is a motion, it called as physics, and chemistry means chemicals,
yes, very
and biology means human body, plants, and animals.
very good, 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 great, great, great. So we are coming to the in
Sir,
the
sir,
yes, yes, yes. Tell, yes, tell.
next you explained here why lemon is so salty and all, and
Very,
you asked why iron is rusted.
very good, very good, very good, very good. For this slide, I am giving you 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Very good, very good.
Then I told the iron is rusted means the iron would be brownie.
Very good, very good. Great, good to know, good to know.
Here you explained about light means
Yes, yes.
and
So basically, we have to just ask a question. It is not important why it is happening, because this we will discuss in the later chapter, right? So, dear student, in this slide, what we have learned?
yes. Now you told one shirt is t-shirt is we learned here one t-shirt is there it got healthy
Very,
and you explained soap means you will wash it by soap. Soap plus haldi is equal to chemical means brown plus and you wash with water. Brown plus water is equal to it will be new. Okay.
okay. So basically, that haldi
Sir,
went away, right? So,
yes,
uh, so dear student, just tell me, do you get all these points?
yes, sir,
Okay. So can I ask you one question? Do you enjoy this session, or yes or no?
yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So basically, we are coming to the end of this session. So I am coming to this. Actually, I am opening
Sir,
the.
today you will give homework or not, sir?
Okay. So today this is